Night flooding and fog across the state making road travel a bit difficult for those out and about.
That's right. Police and emergency crews are responding to flooded areas all over. Take a look at this spot. This happened along Route 8 there in Seymour. State troopers on the scene there earlier tonight. We're told that scene has now been cleared. News 8's Mario Boone tonight live in our mobile weather lab. And Mario, what are you finding out there on the roads tonight?
Hey, Ann, good evening. It's still a lot of fog out tonight. The roads are pretty slick, but traffic appears to be moving pretty good. Let me show you how it looks from inside the mobile weather lab. You can see here as we cross over into East Haven in just a moment how the roads are looking at this time. I can give you a side view as well, and you can see, again, pretty slick, but traffic is moving. We talked to a lot of people earlier about their drives and their travels around town. Take a listen at what we found on the roads earlier.
Pounding rain and dense fog making travel across Connecticut difficult.
Really hard to see it, you know, a lot of fog and rain.
It depends on the fog and the rain always. Okay. If it's too much, slow it down. If not, just keep going.
Connecticut State Troopers sent us this picture of flooding along Route 8 in Seymour. At least one lane had to be closed, but no one was hurt. So far, it's unclear how many crashes troopers have worked because of the soggy conditions and poor visibility. Authorities in Milford say the steady rain actually worked in their benefit because it didn't have time to pool.
It came down more as a consistent rain, so it was very helpful for us.
A week ago, it was brutal cold and heavy snow causing problems. But the big concern heading into Saturday, plunging temperatures.
So that's our biggest concern right now is freezing temperatures and ice forming on the roads.
Is that not for cars or something? Because I went down there earlier. I didn't know you could go down that ramp. Hey guys, I'm sorry about that. We're talking with my photographer here in the car. So we're about to turn back down southbound on 95 and head back down into downtown just to check things out there. We'll keep an eye on the roadways for the next couple of hours, and we'll be back at 11 with another live update of the roads. Until then, we are live in the mobile weather lab. I'm Mario Boone for News 8.